I was sent this pool cleaner by BlueBlue and asked you my opinion on it, make the short video. So let's check it out. This is different than anything I've seen before. This is a surface cleaner. So this is going to hover along the top of your pool, and leaves, bugs, anything that's sludge on top of your pool is going to get pulled down in and then held here in this container. And then when you're done, you're going to pull the whole unit out of the pool, lift this up and clean it, and you're ready to go. Very, very cool design. So I'm charging it right now. I've got this green trim ring lit up, and I see I've got a red light indicated here. So I'm taking a charge on the unit. You also see on these buttons here, you've got a power button on this side here, and then you've also got a Bluetooth button here. This will connect to an app, and you can control it using the app. They give you a very detailed instruction manual here, a retaining hook, so you can pull it out of the pool if needed. If it's not near you, you can put it on a pool pole, pull it out. I'm going to give you a backup filter here, as well as some of these backup filtering covers for the top edge. So these would be useful if these wear out over time. And a whole cleaning quick start guide to help you get going very, very efficiently. So very simple pictures. And let's drop this in the pool right now. Let's see how it works. All right. So I just set it in the pool, turned it on, and immediately it started to move and brought itself to the edge. And boy, you can see that water flow, pulling water over the edge of that circle in through the middle there. And so it's steering itself, figuring out where it's going on its own. You can see another pool cleaner I've got at the bottom of the pool there. And it's floating around, and what I'm hoping is it gets over to that corner. That corner's got a bunch of debris in there. Yeah, it's really doing a job here. You see how it's pulling all that floating debris right into the unit. All right, it's been running all afternoon, and you can see, look at all that stuff it's picked up. Nice thing about it is that will all be taken out here right now and not get stuck in my filter. So let's clean it out, see what we got. Today, the sediment is a lot of these small floating things. Not a lot of big leaves, but the big leaves it does capture in the bin. And at the bottom, there's this piece of foam that stops any of the debris from getting jammed into your motors here. So you've got these two, looks like fans down in there that are moving water and flowing through the unit. So this keeps it clean. So that's it, real easy cleanup. And I'm just going to drop this back in the top here. And we're ready to go. Charge it up, and then we'll have it back out there. Hope that helps learn a little bit more about this BlueBlue cleaner for the top of your pool. Hope this information has been useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.